Hey folks, I'm Jerry, product specialist here at ATBBQ.com, and today we're checking out the YS1500 Stainless Steel Grates. Yoder Smokers designed these as a direct replacement for the previous expanded metal grates. They're 1/4 inch thick 304 stainless steel, which gives you better corrosion resistance. The 304 stainless also gives you improved durability and makes for easier cleaning and less maintenance. You also get improved heat retention and better airflow on your food. When it comes to smoking, heat and airflow is everything. First, you get 4 modular sections of lower grating to go in the main section of your cooking area. And then you get a 2-piece upper shelf that easily attaches within seconds, giving you the ability to convert between a full depth shelf and a half depth shelf. When set up as a half depth shelf, this allows you to reach the back of the grill easily. The sliding full depth shelf can cook up to 100 pounds and allows for easy access to every part of the grate. This modular setup of the grates also allows for easier storage. These grates are available as an upper shelf system, a lower main shelf system, as well as a complete kit. You can check out the new stainless steel grates for the YS1500 as well as all of our other products at ATBBQ.com.